Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete comment on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. On the bottom right of the screen, tap on the circular profile icon. Choose the post that has a comment you want to delete. Tap on View Comment. Now, long tap on the comment you want to delete. Then, click on the dustbin icon from the top right corner of your screen. And you will delete the comment on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete comment on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.